Oh, hey, Crystal. What's up? Yeah, I know I look like a feathered marshmallow. It's called winter survival drip, okay?
Yeah, that's the good stuff. Sunflower seeds deluxe, extra fat. Tastes like winter prep, baby.
You see this? This isn't fat. This is insulation. Pure aerodynamic feather engineering.
Okay, maybe just one more bite. Or 3. Maybe 5. Math is hard when you're fluffy and focused. Whoa, check it out. Look at these fluff levels. Winter armor, 95% complete. Okay, maybe 96%. Perfection takes time, Crystal. I see you looking at me, judging the fluff. Yes, I do preen between bites. What? You want a tutorial? This is the life. Warm feathers, full belly. If squirrels had taste buds, they'd be jealous. But they don't. So I win. Committed, even... You think this diner food eats itself? Someone's got to keep your feeders in business. Wait, are you filming this? Don't you dare post this fluff angle online again. Fine, but tag me this time, Woody the Winter Warrior. Got it?